Normal during the day, but at night turn to a monster.
Get in my belly!
If I find Okie has nail polish on him, every one of you guys are grounded. Hey, Veezy fam! Guys, look where we're at. Alexa from Badfish, link below, called us and said she got some fish for us, so we're back up here picking up some Bristol nose plecos and probably a bunch of colorful fish because the 165-gallon tank inside is getting a little lonely. Even though we had a whole bunch of babies right here, we still need some more though. So this is gonna be a video where we're picking up fish for here, maybe for the koi bomb. We got a whole bunch of stuff going on, so check it out.
Check it out.
All right guys, we're here at Badfish in North Palm Beach, Florida, and this place is the best. This is where we go for all our fish needs. This is where we go for everything. They have everything here.
They have turtles.
But they're not for sale, those are pets.
You get in my way, I'ma feed you to the monster. I'm normal during the day, but at night turn to a monster.
These are the ones that are super rare.
Yeah, they're rare.
And they bite.
And they bite. Doesn't Dad Hey Dad, told me to remind you to get some food for the fish.
Oh yeah, they got everything, bro, but I usually get this, but in the cubes. They don't have it in the cubes, so I think we're gonna find something different. Anthony, they got your lunch here, bro.
Yeah.
I think you're gonna eat bloodworms today. Take that home and that's gonna be your dinner.
I can swallow a bottle of alcohol in her, feel like Godzilla.
You will never believe what happened. So while I'm editing this video and we got to this point right here, the audio went out. And I'm like, do I scrap a video? This is a banger video. Like, we legit got a bunch of like cool stuff. There's no way we could scrap this video. So I'm gonna do my best. We're gonna basically tell you what's going on until we get to the point where we got the mic fixed and audio starts working. At this point right now, we got Jayla and she was like, Dad, these things are sharks. And I'm like, sharks? And she's like, you should get them. I'm like, well, how many do we get? Like 1 or 2? And she's like, get all of them. I'm like, all of them? There's 6. She's like, get them all? So all of them we got. Yo, this is the part where Ryan told us to get those 2 bluefish.
Electric blue cichlids.
So we saw those and we ended up just grabbing 2 of those. We went over to the plecos and we picked up like, how many plecos do we get? The Bristol nose ones. I think we got like 5 or 6.
Yeah, 5 or 6.
I think the plan was to put 2 on the inside tank, 3 on the outside tank at least.
Yeah. Oh, remember the arowana?
Bro, Veezy Kids, if this video gets 2,000 likes,
2,000, yeah.
2,000?
2,000.
I'm gonna get us an arowana and we'll get him in the house and we'll name him Chuck.
No, Bob.
Oh, Bob.
Chuck and Bob.
I'm not getting 2.
Chuck and Bob. 2
arowanas.
2, yeah, 2.
Remember Paul used to have one? We could not find it in the outside. Where'd it go? Did you eat it?
No. He did.
We were walking out the store, bro. You guys wouldn't even help me. Then finally, J-Lo opened the door for me.
Looks so funny.
It wasn't funny, dude. It was so heavy. These boxes, Veezy Kids, was so heavy. Almost fell over twice. But then when I got home, I was super excited, so I started dancing like this.
I just hit a lick with the box, had to put the stick in the box.
So this is the tank before we put any fish in it.
You want to just show them what it looks like after we put all the fish in it?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Before we show you guys exactly what the tank looked like after, we brought these guys home. We acclimated each one of them for like, no, don't look. You're not allowed to look yet. Explaining. We had to acclimate them. We did it for about an hour. We were cutting bags. We put them in there the correct way. And then we started dropping them in one by one. So while I'm talking right now, you should be seeing us dropping the fish in and getting them all acclimated and watching them swim. And maybe I'll throw a music break with the fish right here. And then I'll come back and I'll tell you a little bit more. When it's all said and done and everything was brought back, check out the tank now. Wait, those Veezy Kids are always in the tank. Anyway, look at the sharks, guys. They literally school up and run together. You guys see this pleco right here? That's the first one we got from Alexa. Look at the baby. Looks just like the parents. So those are the parents of the babies. Doesn't it look just like them? So look, that's a parent and that's a parent. All right, so this is gonna be the first feed that they get. And this is that extreme aquatic foods that Alexa gave us. She said this is the best. And I think these guys are local Florida, so look them up. So let's just see, this is the first day, if the new fish eat. So I take a little bit and I put it up here. All right, the old G's are eating. All the old guys are eating. They've been here. They know what's up. Let's see if the sharks eat. Let me put some over on this side so they can be alone and not be stressed out. There we go. Oh, they're getting in. Look at the sharks. Day one, they're already eating. That's perfect.
Get in my belly!
I think this is a huge success. Now, no matter what, and it's crazy because you would think the Oscars are the bosses of this tank, these convict cichlids, the ones that had the babies, literally run this tank. If anything gets too close to the babies, they come up and like headbutt them like this. Yo, that is a beautiful song. Does Prince have nail polish on? Wait, who put nail polish on you, bro? Did somebody put nail polish on you? He's like, help me. If I find Okie has nail polish on him, every one of you guys are grounded. Okie! What the heck? What are you doing? What is this? Wait a minute, you have one hand polished? Wait, your back toe is polished? All you guys put your phones on the table. You guys are not having phones. You don't paint my dog's toenails pink. Okay, are you all right? What did they do to you, bro? Bro, what are you doing?
I'm subscribing to Veezy Kids.
Oh, that's right. You got a tablet. You got to subscribe to us under a fake name. Anyway, guys, it's our 50th episode. We've been here for 50 episodes. 50.
Then you call me 50 Cent.
50 episodes, and we're still responding to every single comment. One of us are. Could be me, could be Mama Veezy, could be Jayla, could be Anthony. Do you know how to spell? You'll know if it's Anthony. He's subscribing. Make sure if you're not subscribed, you are subscribed. Just click that post notification. It's easy, right? Even he did it.
Yeah. Anthony!
Huh?
What time is it? Brain game, brain game, brain game, brain game.
All right, guys, it's that time of the show where we do the brain game. We're gonna ask you guys 3 questions, and you're gonna comment your answers below. One lucky person who gets all 3 answers right will be shouted out in the next video. Shout out to Bill Sheehan, who answered all 3 questions. Wait, that's 6. Who answered all 3 questions right in the last video.
Question 1. What store did the Veezy Kids get their fish from? Question 2. What was Anthony doing on his tablet? Question 3. How many sharks did we get? What did the Plucko say to the Oscar? Peace.
Oh, the misery. Everybody wants to be my enemy.